Revision section. Heart sounds. Normal heart sounds at the apex. S1 louder than S2. Normal heart sounds at the aortic area. S2 louder than S1. Normal heart sounds in the pulmonary area with splitting of S2 during inspiration. Inspiration. Expiration. Inspiration. Atrial septal defect, wide and fixed splitting of S2. Right bundle branch block, wide splitting of S2 with respiratory variation. Expiration. Inspiration. Expiration. Inspiration. Pulmonary hypertension, P2 louder than A2. Third heart sound occurring 150 milliseconds after the second heart sound with a soft quality. Opening snap of mitral stenosis occurring 40 to 120 milliseconds after the second heart sound with a sharp snapping quality. Fourth heart sound just before the first heart sound. Ejection systolic click occurring just after the first heart sound. Mid systolic click occurring midway between S1 and S2. Ventricular gallop or protodiastolic gallop due to a third heart sound with a rapid heart rate. Atrial gallop or S4 gallop due to a fourth heart sound with a rapid heart rate. Now we will revise the murmurs. Mitral regurgitation at the apex. A high-pitched blowing murmur which is pansystolic, that is reaches the second heart sound. Severe mitral regurgitation with a third heart sound and a mitral flow murmur in diastole. Mitral stenosis at the apex with a loud S1, opening snap, low-pitched mid-diastolic murmur with pre-systolic accentuation. Aortic stenosis in aortic area. A medium-pitched to harsh ejection systolic murmur which ends before the second heart sound. Aortic stenosis with an ejection systolic click and a murmur. Innocent systolic murmur in pulmonary area. a short ejection systolic murmur. Aortic regurgitation, a high-pitched, blowing decrescendo type diastolic murmur at the third left intercostal space. Combined aortic stenosis and aortic regurgitation. Combined mitral stenosis and mitral regurgitation. Atrial septal defect in the pulmonary area, a harsh ejection systolic murmur with wide fixed splitting of S2. Ventricular septal defect at the left third intercostal space, a high-pitched pansystolic murmur. Patent ductus arteriosus in pulmonary area, a continuous machine-like murmur starting at the first heart sound, reaching maximum intensity at the end of systole and tapering in diastole. Pericardial rub just inside the apex with a rough grating sound with presystolic and systolic components. This is the end of the revision section on heart sounds.